Semi-automatic stretch wrapping machine. Two plate for bending lower side stretch. This is a 1 inch gap. Auto bearing. Same mechanism of automatic machine. Stretch, re-stretch, stretch setting, pressure increase, decrease. This plate height can be increased or decreased to set the level of this plate. This plate height can be adjusted. This base plate height can be increased or decreased. Roll height can up and down from this plate. Height of roll can be adjusted to set the height of this plate and as per the articles.